Hi, it's Jan from Velemobile World, and today I want to show you something from the light system I'm building, or I built on the Velemobiles from my daughters, and there they are. So, this is my oldest daughter, Hannah.
Yeah.
She's called Kichi Bobo, what means the small baby, because in 2009 we came the first time in Romania with her, and in Hungarian it's Kichi Bobo, and she got that name. This is my second daughter, Naomi.
And she's taller.
She's a tiny bit taller, and yeah, so I'm that big. So
He's standing on his toes.
I'm cheating a bit. But I want to show you the bikes. 1, 2, 3, kan nu.
My father would really like if you subscribe. So like it if you like it. Like.
Ta-da! So this is Hannah's. So this is Hannah's Snook XS. No, how it's called? Quest XS. That's the Snook Quest XS. And I make a submarine tube on it. So in case of she gets underwater, she gets oxygen. Of course not. So let me see. Where's the battery? This. So we made here like a blinking white light and a blinking red light, and yes, they're very happy.
Disco light.
Yeah. So, but I don't like it that much, but I like the visibility. So if you guys have other ideas, let me know. And by Naomi, I did an easier one. I have just a complete hotspot with battery in it, which I also use myself often. And I have just like a simple button on top of it, and like a strong blinking light front and a strong one in the rear. I know it's in Germany illegal, and probably here in Romania as well, but I really like to be seen.